What's up everybody, hope you're all doing great. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto and to this video about the Bitcoin standard hash rate token, which we talked about a little bit in the Cilinix Crypto Discord, but apart from that, I had to cover this. It's up 135%, volume almost at 250 million, which I don't necessarily think this is as attractive of an investment as you might think, even after a move like this. We will get into the reasons a little bit later, but I definitely had to cover this. Gains like these are always, at the very least, they're very interesting to check out. And there is definitely volume. And that volume is not coming from nowhere. It's actually the most is coming from Binance and from Gate.io. Some from PancakeSwap, but big exchanges. So I thought it would be interesting. Basically, quickly what it is, a Bitcoin standard hash rate token is the bridge between Bitcoin, hash rate, assets, and the DeFi world. So each BTCST is collateralized with a little bit of Bitcoin mining power. All right, so that's the most interesting part. I think it's an interesting project, but the catch is, and why also the reason why I don't think this move is deserved. This move all the way from that bottom, we're up even more than 130. We were up about 280%, at least on Binance. But if you check out the project, what you will find is that even though I think you can still use it, I'm pretty sure you can, if you collect your wallet, even though you can still use it. I'm not even sure if it's safe to use it right now, because if we check out their Twitter, if we check out their Medium, you can see that they haven't posted anything in a very long time. Here, this is the pinned tweet from June 2021. Last thing was May the 11th. Then they had one post about diamond hands and stuff. All right, and then a Happy New Year. And then before that, November, when obviously Bitcoin was still doing great. October, so not a lot of updates ever since the beginning of this year. And I don't think they have a new account or something, because if you check out their Medium, you can see that their last post, which most crypto projects keep posting on Medium. Most good projects do that. Again, June 24th. And you can see that before that, they actually posted quite a lot, and they've stopped doing that. So I don't think this move is deserved. Obviously, and that's also always what I say, there's money to be made. But I would advise you to stay out of it, because we are still going to do an analysis on it, because as I said, I think it's interesting. But when this is going to fall, it's going to fall hard. All right, I'm not even sure what Wing Finance is doing right now. Yeah, Wing Finance, yesterday it was at around $50. Now we're at $16. And I told you in that video about Wing Finance, probably something the same is going to happen to a Bitcoin standard hash rate token. It's going to drop down to $12. All right. So be careful. Even though, right now the main resistance level is around $30. If we can close above $30, I think we could still get up to $40. So even though I think it's going to crash, don't just blindly short it, because it could still hunt those shorts and get some sort of a short squeeze. To be honest, I would just stay out of it. All right, because there's a lot of money to be made, but there's also a lot of money to be lost, and it's a zero-sum market. So what I expect is that we'll drop down to $20, maybe find some support at $20, but then afterwards drop down to 15 and down to $12.50. I really think that's the most likely scenario. So we could also still go up a little bit, but dropping down to at least $12 and probably lower towards 10 is inevitable in my opinion. Even though I think the project is interesting. They're just not updating it anymore, it seems like. So yeah, that's basically my analysis on BTCST. If you do have any questions about anything I said or about the analysis, please let me know down in the comments. But for now, I would like to thank you all for watching and listening, and I hope to see you all in my next videos. Bye.